There's a quiet point in every HVAC system's life where the window for calm decision starts to close. Most homeowners miss it because the furnace is still working. The heat comes on, the house feels warm, nothing feels urgent. And that's the trap. When people think about replacement timing, they focus on age. 15 years, 20 years, some number they've heard before. But age isn't the real issue. Pressure is. The real question isn't about how old is my furnace. It's when does my decision window shrink? Furnaces rarely fail on a mild October afternoon. They fail in January, during a cold snap, when demand spikes, when schedules are full. That's when timing compresses. What could have been a calm evaluation in the fall becomes a forced decision in the winter. A forced decision rarely feels good, even when the equipment is fine. Regret usually isn't about what was installed, it's about how it was decided. If you plan to stay in your home 5 years or more, the conversation shifts. It's not about squeezing more out of its life, it's about stability. Is your system predictable, or is it just functioning? Functioning means it works today. Stable means you understand its phase of life, your options, and your timing before pressure shows up. Most homeowners don't need urgency. They need clarity before urgency. Replacement isn't about panic. It's about whether you choose the timing or the weather chooses it for you. If your furnace is still running, that doesn't mean you're too late. But if you never evaluate where it stands, and winter is your stress test, you may be closer to that shrinking window than you realize. The goal isn't replacement early. The goal is avoiding replacement under pressure. Timing isn't about age. It's about awareness. And awareness protects stability. Stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.